sorry, say me buy a man be a more fan chairman and then me put fuel funo. Me put fuel funo because I'm not for some time now, me because when I look at what is going on in Ghana, now we know onipa that send you your dog Ghana, castle or peg Ghana. Now we just say, look at the if since when did violence become anything? Yeah, First World War, Second World War. At the end of the day, what resolved it? And you turn a resolve here, and yet you are not dialoguing. But when you don't have dialoguing skills, when you don't have smartness and brightness to know and decipher, you would always come out as NDC fools. You sat on the floor of parliament where laws are made and sang revolution has a long way to go, has come to stay. Cadres may come, cadres may go, but the revolution has come to stay. If the revolution has come to stay, that is not in parliament. Because it is the same parliament that said revolution is reasonable. And tokwa funonwa na atomoni akeka NDC for MPs. And tokwa funonwa na atomoni akeka ye the intellect argue obia position obia den the point eba no ya hu ni said the ayeka no ye boka ye nkura asem enti me sadia the way we came to power gidi we shall kill to come to power. Chairman Drew, let me know when Honorable Hobson joins because I can't get a feedback from him. So let me know. But now, I want you to play our video now. Me send last no Nasiru. Before this man plays the video, let me show you something. This Nasiru, the NDC Nasara coordinator, I met him 2019 at Peace FM. I'll put the pictures out there. And this guy was on live radio at Nana Yaukese platform show, lying through his teeth, said, Sabi, President Akufo-Addo baye onyehwe emfama zongo development onyamin chade sada na semu bekaya NDC foja ye doctors bi ne ye students bi o Cuba ne ye ntieti omo akenti na o ma ye hostage wo ho semu bekaya Matthew Poku prempe eso eno mukotu as eska no and ye release omo baye. So lucky enough it was that same day those people have been released to Ghana. And Okojina Peace FM, a big station, the platform Okuditro. Cardinal, I salute you. Thanks for your hospitality, anyways. Right there, I got pissed off and I said, oh, PF1, and I said, boss, into one quarter radio, so I would Ditro, and I see you, and you're there. I feel, I'm going to is now, we are politicians, and I say, I told you, now, Miss You, there be, and no, I'm better about politics, no, so only party as here, Kakra. No, more because oh, tell you at the end of the other can be all against you when I'm say yes, because you're kind of your throat. Now, more money, me fact money, me be a phone. Now, me bo Google, I will Peace FM, Cardinal, Udini Adansi, and I can say this thing you, anybody who was part of the Afro First team that went to Ghana 2019, if you were part of the people, if you listen to Peace FM that night, you know what I'm talking about. It is a fact. I'm not fabricating nothing. I opened the thing there. And shame Nasiru way. And I'm bisa na na say, why do they allow such people to come on platform? And another catcher say, and no more na na no they choose who comes so. Now yeah, the party communications no, and they choose who goes where and who goes where. And the way so Adiana Koyeno, what we are like the moderator no, to me can be too much because Uncle Kebi about to say you are siding with somebody. So even though they know the truth, sometimes they let it go. I'm saying, no, Nana, that is not honest journalism because once you are not able to let the whole world know, say, the Anasi Ruka Yani Trono, or the best in Tirima Kokano another platform. So, boss, Nasiru, I ready now. I don't defend democracy. Ghana for people who claim they love Ghana. Yeah, but what? Yeah, but yes. Yes, hey, to protect democracy, I am repeating no, to protect democracy, I mean it. To protect democracy.
No, because they are all to what say, to protect democracy, yes.
It is not wrong. Your constitution
no,
my constitution my to me say young
I will not condone this.
Then you are not condoning democracy
on my platform.
Then you are not condoning democracy.
No.
But you didn't say it. I said it.
No.
But
it's quite unfortunate. I have a lot. I mean, it has come to me as a surprise, honestly, hearing this from you. Say, on this issue.
But it didn't come to you as a surprise. Say the speaker, who is bounded by law and the standing orders of parliament, want to throw that standing orders and the law to do what is heart desire. And
this speaker in question, Honorable Abambagwe, one of your own. And so who are you putting the blame on?
Which speaker has done what?
Why not
show me what Abambagwe did to suggest say or the
Kateche Frifa say he cares for the youth. My God, he cares for the youth. The budget is there. The only thing in the budget is not the e-levy. There are other parts akolebia uchire nimu betumi take advantage. Enti me kwesi me ba me political zone page so a dia me ye ne say me chire budget nimu dia me mpeno meka dia me peno meka na dia minim so obi kwa obenya moa no me chire nimu na daachi bi anase o chine bi opportunity bi ba wono so de ne ho ahye ho Okateche Afrifa. What are you doing with your page? You couldn't even manage a simple being a radio host on the show. You couldn't curtail yourself. You couldn't even humble what just went to me and say. And like I say, birds of the same feathers always confuse their motherfucking owners. Birds of the same feathers, they don't fly together. They confuse their owners. And it's a fact. Captain Smart from Kumasi radio station went to me and handle no. Look at the track record these people have, Ghana youth. You are telling me, say, Yantu NDC, Yantu MPP, Yantu CPP, you be angry and offer alternative bayan, or Kateche Afrifa. Captain Smart, who couldn't even humble himself to be a common radio host on a simple radio show. Are you guys kidding me? In any case, why no bet me me say I went to a Captain Smart factory where beer or employing for a 600 crowd. But look at the lavish life he's leading. And you know why he's living that life? He's living that life because me and you has made it so. We have failed to cross-check the bullshit dispute to us when they come on their platforms. We let sentiment set in and we take our political stance, and the main issue is lost. Yet the Saglime Joe be $179 million a year. The thing is not completed. Yet the NDC and MPP beton chain. Now you should be a second 1 year trace. Everybody are taking and